Good evening and welcome to We Repair. So tonight I've got a little bit of a silly one really. Well, I thought it was going to be quite a lot more complicated. So this is my personal watch. It's a Galaxy Gear 3. Wear it every day, use it every day. It's been my sort of daily driver and it's been brilliant. I've not had any issues with it at all. But over the last sort of 3 or 4 months, the watch strap has been getting worse and worse and worse. It's broken here, it's broken up top here, but like I usually do, I just put up with it because I was expecting it to be an absolute pig to change. So I've done a little bit of research and I sort of wanted to share it with everyone else really, because I was just expecting it to be such a complicated thing. This is all one big metal sealed unit, so I was just expecting it to be a real nightmare to get changed. It turns out it is one of the easiest things I've ever done, and as I say, I wanted to share it because it was so straightforward really. So Samsung in their wisdom have made it super easy. So on the back of the watches there's these two little blobs, hopefully are showing up on camera. Let me zoom in a bit more so you can see. So there's these two little silver blobs here and here, and they are little catches that unclip the watch strap, and I didn't know that was a thing. I didn't even know these were customizable. I've had this watch for quite literally 3 years. So all you do, slide this little thing towards you and the whole band will just come off, just like that. So then with our new band, so this is just an eBay one, nothing special. It is real leather, but it does what I needed to do. So just line it up, slide the little clippy thing towards you, and then it locks, just like that. So again, we'll turn it around, I'll do the other side. So again, slide it towards you, that's the old one unclipped. And then our new one, in there, slide it towards you, and then it clips. And then just like that, we are, zoom back out so you can see, we're all changed. So we've got a nice new watch strap on there now. Now I couldn't believe how easy that was. As I say, I didn't realise it was that uncomplicated. I was expecting it to be the most horrendous thing in the world. But I think this was something like £3.50 on eBay. It was just a real cheap one. I've ordered a slightly posher one, but obviously with everything COVID going on, it's proving a little bit tricky to get parts and things at the minute. So. But yeah, so it really is like a 3-minute video that I just wanted to show that actually something as simple as that makes a world of difference. And it has made my watch a little bit more comfortable to wear. And as I said, I've ordered another one just because it was so easy and it looks much nicer now. Anyway, hopefully you found that useful because, like me, you possibly didn't know how easy it was to change them. It took me a quick Google search to figure it out and a bit of a YouTube around. But if you found it useful, drop us a like, leave us a comment, subscribe to the channel, and again, ask any questions you want to ask. I do try and answer as many as I can, and I come back to people as quickly as I can. It doesn't always happen immediately, but I do it as rapidly as I can. Anyway, it'd be lovely to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.